bafethu, do or die, why you for me? Ayi bafethu, star player akaphushwa imedia, akaphushwa ilutho, i-black sheep yama-young players ase-South Africa, yabo. Only loved by fans of Kaizer Chiefs and a few fans who really know football, but generally he's not pushed by media to be, you know, abe lapha phezulu, abe lento phezulu ekhekheni. But the boy came to the party, and I'm very happy for him getting 2 goals and and the assist after creating so many chances for the team, but our strikers were just not taking the opportunities. But finally, we have a team now that plays for each other. You know, yonke enginotisile ngeKaizer manje ukuthi players are playing for each other. Yabo. If Ecele loses the ball, Mthethwa fight so much ukuthi lelo bhola lelo, let us try to intercept that ball before it becomes a possible attack for us. If a Vilakazi loses the ball, you'll see maybe M2 dropping or Mthethwa again coming ukuzovala leso space before lelo bhola libuye lizo attack mhlawumbe uMonyane. Nje we are playing for each other. Iyonto engiyithandayo leyo. Do first half switching with uVelebhayi on the left, second half switching with ulentuzana uVilakazi on the right. Very dynamic. Star player, uyalazi ibhola lo mjinda. Uyalazi ibhola, uyalazi ukudweba ibhola. And I'm very happy kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi ocoach babe stubborn, because Tina as fans and most people, abantu, they keep saying Mdu is more of a winger. I still say it. Mdu is more of a winger, but coaches have been stubborn to say play Mdu as a 10. We are playing Mdu as a 10. Even coach Hugo Bruce said the same thing. Mdu is good behind strikers. That's a 10 position. Just play him there. Angempela coaches have been stubborn to say, and sikubonile lokho izolo ukuthi he's a 10 but has got qualities of a winger, so he can code switch benolentuzana benama winger akhe. Uyakwazi ukuthi asizane nawo. Yabo iwinger malithakha in, uyakwazi ukuthi aswitche nalo noma attack nje kamnandi kanjani. So he played a very good game. He's been denied kakhulu ama-assist by ama-strikers eKaizer, but yesterday I was happy ukuthi akore 2 goals and 1 assist. And with Silva, with Ighodaro, remember we still have AK-47, Dubu la spam, uDubu, usakhona uDupreez. So the boys are coming, they are coming all right. We are taking it one game at a time, you know. Abanye sebeyaphenika manje sebethi manje nizibona ukuthi one game at a time, we are focusing on our next opponent. We are not saying anything about into ezile kude nathi. We are still focusing on our next opponent. We are saying Kaizer Chiefs is doing well than last season. You know, we are running our own race. Yabo. Abangatatazeli abantu, bangathuswa izigi. We are coming all right, kancane kancane. Nkosi aliphele umoya.